Hey guys, it is Jack and Dad from Card Fun 101. So, let's be authentic. Now, we got it in the mail and it was a little bit damaged, as you can see.
Hi, Dad.
No, you don't deserve it.
You know what you deserve? What is that?
I got Student of the Year for Social Studies.
Student of the Year today.
There's a little damage
Jack
right there.
How awesome is that? Anyway, okay. So what happened?
So it has some damage on it. Let's hope none of the cards are damaged. I showed that off.
Yeah, it does have a little bit of damage. Okay, well, we'll check it out. Let's open this.
If the cards are damaged, you can get a refund. Or whatever.
What are we looking for?
Personally, Jacob Vrana and Dylan Strome. Screw Matthews.
Hey. Easy.
Well, I mean, you probably want to screw him
Easy.
too, wouldn't
Yeah.
you? Come on, admit.
It's not appropriate.
Okay, fine.
Have you seen any damage on the packs?
No, not really. Upper Deck Bounty thing. We'll check this out when we're done. We're looking for Spectrum cards too. Yeah, I'm not seeing any damage, but so. Pick a side. Inside.
Doesn't matter. You pick a side.
Take right side.
All right.
Alright. Actually, no, I'm going to take left side. I always take right side.
Changing it up.
Alright, let's go.
Uh-oh. Future
Ivan
watch.
Provorov.
Oh, nice little future watch.
You know what? He's pretty good, too. I know people will pay money for him. Him and Travis Konecny. Whatever his name is. Connecting. Travis Connecting.
Nice. First pack. That's the way to do it, buddy. Keep it up.
Oh. Okay. Sure, phone.
Yeah, I'm going to fix this while you're going through the pack.
Alright, Authentic Moments of Kane.
Okay.
So I'll put the autos and stuff right there. Insert right there, base and base. Alright. Next up. Thank God one of the autos was on the other side, not on the corner. Alright, Spectrum of Joel Eriksson. As you can see, there's some code you can scratch off on the back.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know what that's about, but...
And look at the corners of those when you inspect them.
Yeah, the corners are looking good. It's the top left corner you want to look for.
What's that code all about?
I don't know, actually. Rene Bork. Update, I guess, base, really.
Yeah.
Alright. Silver Skate. Sidney Crosby.
Cindy Crosby. Is he going to lose tomorrow?
Hopefully. Let's go Predators,
Yeah.
I guess. I mean, Colton, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that last name. Honestly. Oh yeah, by the way, we're looking for 2 autos a box. Another Spectrum of Miku Koivu.
Sweet. I got a code on it too?
Yeah, they all have codes. All the Spectrum stuff has codes. Cubes. Alright, let's hope for like a Matthews, like a Line, Marner, Strome. Galchenyuk Silver Skates. I know these Silver Skates will sell for some money too. People trying to build the set.
Yeah. A couple of dollars maybe.
Yeah, but still. I mean, money is money.
We might build a set.
We might. Tim Schaller. Alright, all base.
All right, so half the pack.
No damages on the corners that I saw?
Yep. No real damage. That's a really good sign.
Is that east? Good.
And I would say so far in half the pack, that's the big hit so far.
So far.
A little Provorov action.
It's not bad either.
And I want to check out what these spectrums are.
I don't like the Upper Deck Bounty, but I don't know what it's about.
Did every pack have a dummy in it that you
I
opened?
think so. Unless they have a patch auto in it.
Base.
Base.
Yeah. All base. All right, we still got one
Young Gun.
one more auto, huh?
Future Watch. Yeah, I mean, I've seen an average of 2 to 3. You're at least 2, but
And you
from
want-
most boxes I've seen 3.
And you want the Verana Future Watch?
Verana, yes. Jacob.
Young Gun update. Cole Snyder. Now the Cole Snyder, that's only in
This.
this. It's not in anything else.
Only
Yeah.
this.
All right, here's another Future Watch. Auto of Chris Bigris.
Big grass. Biggers. I don't know.
Big S? Bigris? All right, so that's our second auto.
Let's do the corners all good.
Yeah, the corner looked good on that one.
Maybe 3, possibly 3. I mean, I'd say 3. Hopefully.
Brendan Chin. He looks a little like Sidney Crosby here, doesn't he, a little bit?
Kind of.
He does. All right, anyway. And this is Authentic Moments.
Mitch Marner.
Yeah, Mitch Marner.
Would that
Authentic
be a
Moments.
Marner rookie, technically?
I
I don't know. I'd put him over here.
don't know if he would or not.
I'd still put him aside, maybe.
Yeah. Yeah, somebody will want him.
Somebody will, yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
So you think we got our 2 autos out of this?
I think there's one more. You see that right on my foot. I'm hurt.
All right, here's Silver Skates,
Lundqvist.
King Henrik.
When's he gonna retire? That's the question. When it does, it'll be a sad day.
He had a decent year this year, so.
Yeah. Although his team couldn't get anywhere, but yeah.
No, I mean, basically, he was the reason the Rangers got in the playoffs was because of Lundqvist.
Pretty much, yeah.
Even though he was out for a while, it's still.
And he did kind of bad.
Another Future Watch. Oh, 3 Future Watches?
Auto, maybe? No.
Not an auto. I was going to say probably not.
Choice. Oh, we got 2. Oh, that last one's sweet.
All right, hold on. Yeah, Troy. How do you say that?
What is it? Sketcher.
Yeah, Stetcher is what I was going to say. And, oh, Authentic Moments, Wayne Gretzky.
Not autographed, but still, that's pretty cool.
Give me-
Nice card.
Give me a pen. Yeah, that definitely goes in my collection.
I don't know, it's looking kind of grim.
All right, another Authentic Moments.
You.
Cindy Crosby with a cup. Target practice.
Well, the only cup he has, it's not like he has any balls. So
Hey, easy, Jack.
Well, why would he need another cup? Oh, that's cool.
And Mark Scheifele update.
No, that's the season highlights.
Oh, is that it? Oh, okay. That's not an update card. All right, last one.
Auto? Question mark? Maybe? Probably Young Gun, possibly? Maybe not Young Gun? I don't know.
And it is. All right, this is definitely another Authentic Moment. with Henrik Lundqvist. Wasn't the last one on Lundqvist Authentic Moment?
No.
What was it? I forgot.
Crosby.
The other Lundqvist that we got. That's it. All right, guys. So a couple of future watches. Autos, and I got to see what these Spectrums are all about. Ivan Povarov. That's not bad. And Chris Bigras. So that's it. Like this video. Push those buttons that we want you to push. And what else?
Like this video, subscribe, and we'll see you guys
Yep,
later.
subscribe. All right, peace out.
Peace.
Oh, before we go, hold on. I'll show this off. This is one of Jack's latest acquisitions. Ovechkin Ice Grips. From what year is this again?
0607.
06, yeah. 0607 OV Ice Grip. I think Jack got that, about 2 weeks ago?
Something like that.
All right, guys. That's it. Peace.